appreciate na yung presence ninyo nandito. At least you get to know kung ano ang practice namin mga Muslims during the celebration of Eid al-Fitr. So, as to the participation ninyo, we appreciate that andito kayo to witness just as we Muslims, andyan din kami during the times that you celebrate, for example, Christmas. And so, yung presence ninyo actually signifies unity between Christians and Muslims, especially in Mindanao, where there is perceived na unpeace because of differences in religion. But in reality, sa ating day-to-day life, there is actually peace kasi we live in harmony and we live with mutual understanding despite the differences in religion. Ano ba yung masasabi nyo sa pagdiriwang natin ngayon, lalo na ngayon sa mga katulad nyo po na youth? Very special sa amin mga Muslims, very special ang Eid al-Fitr because this comes only once a year. So, kung baka if we relate this to the religion of Christianity, ito yung aming Christmas. It's the major celebration of in Islam. So, kaming youth, very excited that to participate sa mga activities